Hi, it's Dr. Taylor. I want to share a little bit about the final exam. It's a little different than tests we've taken before. On each of these questions, you are going to choose two answers. So don't forget that each question has two selections. You are going to choose whether it's ethical or not ethical. So you're going to choose, did the teacher make an ethical response or not? You'll have an ethical scenario to read, and you'll have to choose whether the teacher made an ethical response or not. And then you're going to choose the best ideal or principle from the NACI Code of Ethical Conduct. So you'll have, for the 10 questions, you'll have two answers each. Each of the 10 questions is going to be worth 10 points. So 5 points for the ethical or not ethical part, and 5 for the ideal or principle part. So this test is not timed. So think about each of the questions as you work on those. Here is an example. You are a family child care provider. A parent of a child in your care confides in you and tells you that she is having marital difficulties. I think this is one we've looked at before. Your best friend, another parent, suspects that the family is having problems. She pumps you for information. So your response is you go ahead and share a little bit with your best friend. In this community, you know that this word's probably going to get out sooner or later. So you just don't want to jeopardize your friendship with your friend. So you go ahead and tell her. So is this response ethical or not? So you're going to choose whether it's ethical or not. So if this was a test question, you're going to choose whether it's ethical or not. So on your test question, it's going to look like this. You're going to choose whether it's ethical or not ethical. So you're going to have to select one of these. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have to select ethical or not ethical. And then you're going to have to select one of the ideals or principles that goes with it. And they'll be written out for you, so you'll be able to read those. So obviously that is not ethical. And the principle that goes along with it is P-213. So though you're going to select two different things. So I want to make sure that you understand that on each question, you're going to have two for your final exam.